Kathy with the Enchanted Quilt, and thanks for joining us as we do our unboxing this week. We got quite a bit of stuff in. I think most of it is replenishing things that we've ran out of. Let's see. Okay, what do we have? Oh, this is a new pattern called Double Pocket Pouch. I saw it and I thought it was kind of interesting because it's wide enough you can put, say, a pair of sunglasses on one side, and then there's a pocket on the opposite side that you can put your regular glasses, and then actually there's a pocket in the middle that you could put your cell phone, and it's big enough to hold my phone. I've got a big phone, so it'll work for that. Then there's a second one that you can make that's smaller, so I thought that was kind of a neat project. And we've got, let's see, some more of the inspirational Quilt As You Go mug mats. These are going, we can't keep these in stock. And this one, oh, this is the teacher mug mats, and this is just the panel where you actually put your own batting. It's like making a quilt block. Has the patterns in there for 7 and the panel that has 7 sayings on it. It's great for teacher gifts. Inexpensive. Okay, we've got some more of the Jelly Roll rug patterns. That's the oblong one. And we got some of the Machine Girl quilting gloves that are small mediums. Out of those. And the 5.5-inch Creative Grid square ruler. And a pair of the rag quilt snips. Okay, let's see what this is. We've got a pattern called Harmony from Carried Away. We like her pattern designs. Let's see, they're kind of mixed up here. Let's see. We've got a new one from her. It's called, I'm not sure I can pronounce it, Twirlity. Twirlity. It's got like little pinwheels or pinwheels and stars. Then she has one called Crossing Petals. And then we got some more of our window gardening. That's been a real popular pattern. And we've got, we were out of our Wondrous Cross kits, and I guess we've got some more of those made up. Our Shark pillowcase kits, and our Little Mermaid pillowcase kits, great Christmas gifts. We've got some more of the Glorious Grandchild quilt patterns with the, let's see, this is just the pattern. And then we got the panels with the little sayings on for your grandchild. So we've got all those in. A bunch of those. Okay, let's see what's in this. If I can get it off. Okay, there we go. All right, these are Creative Grid rulers, but they're 2.5 inches by 36.5 inches, so it's like a yardstick. And I had a customer that asked me to get that in, so I did. So we have those. Okay, these are our spray bottles, our misters. And if you like to use Best Press, it's great for those. One of the gals here said she likes to use one at home. She puts her cleaner in for her shower and then uses it in her shower. Never thought about that. But I am going to tell you that with regard to using your Best Press, it saves you 30% of your Best Press to use these versus, you know, just using the Best Press out of the bottle. Let's see, we got those. Let's see, what else do we have? I bet we got the purple, teal. This was the popular color, I think, this teal. I like the polka dots and the purple and the pink. But everyone seems to like the teal. I guess that's the in color. Okay, let's see what this is. get it open. Okay, we got some more. Oh, these are the teacher mug mats. Pull it as you go. In fact, I got somebody waiting on that. Oh, here's a new book. It's called Perfect 10 Quilts. It's made with layer cakes, and I love these books when they have the spirals. And who puts this out? Oh, it's from It's So Emma. Okay. So this is a layer cake one. I think I like this book. That we've got Scrap Crazy. This is with the Scrap Crazy 6-inch template set from Creative Grid. So there's a book to go with it. Had some patterns in it. Okay, we got that. See if I can keep that from falling down. We got another bolt of Shadow Play in the gold color. Got some more of the window garden patterns. I guess I must have ordered those twice. Could you imagine that? Okay, we got the Creative Grid. Now these are the templates to do free motion quilting. You can use those on your domestic sewing machine, or if you have a long arm or mid arm, you can use those. And we've got some more Creative Grid. What do we have here? The 8.5 by 24.5 ruler. That's a big ruler. Looks like we've got, let's see, this is our Goldenrod. It's a batik. It's a basic batik from Moda. We've got Essential Dots in yellow, which is another basic. There is another Kota Batiks from Moda. It's lavender or violet or whatever. And the green. I guess we're restocking all those. This is a grunge in that peacock navy blue. Okay, I'm not that well. Maybe I can get this. This is fabric from RJR. It's a new line. It's really cute. Okay, it's called, what's this called? Retro Road Trip. So this is, so you've got emblems on here from an old bowling alley, motels, Route 66, gas pumps, diners. It's really cute. And then this is some coordinates that go with it. There's that one, and like a teal star, and a pink. And I don't know whether I had something in mind when I ordered this or not. That's the problem. I order it so far in advance, I can't remember then when it comes in what I was going to do with it. Okay, this is another bolt of the Uncorked. If you watched last week, we got 5 bolts of it in. Here's another one that came dribbling in here. We've got, I know I've got a couple on back order, and probably within the next month or so we should have another shipment of those coming. Okay, and this is our final box. These are cutting mats. These are from, I think these are Sullivan's. They're nice because they have, you can see your fabric on them. They're really bright. They're orange on one side. Big, big numbers. You can certainly see them really well. The other side is kind of a brick red and has the same numbers on the other side, so you can reverse them. These are pretty nice mats. I think we've used them here as well. This is a 24 by 37 inch mat, and it's $43.99. I've knocked everything over. got Miss Quilty here today. She's going to draw out somebody's name for a $10 gift certificate. Okay, there you go, Miss Quilty. Patsy Whitaker, you are a winner of our Facebook Live $10 gift certificate this week. And try to stay dry and have a great weekend.